In a country where demand for houses outstrips supply, the last thing you expect is lower dipping sales. However, this appears to be the trend in the last 3 quarters. The Kenya Bankers Association Housing Price Index says, though there was a mild surge in demand and prices, the growth is lower compared to the 2 previous quarters. KBA Director of Research Jared Osoro says the market reflected dominance of the market activity of the middle and upper end of the market than the lower end market.
The characteristics that drive the demand for houses are more or less remained stable over the time. People are looking at the size of the house, the location of the house, and the amenities that come with the house, and therefore building into what makes one demand a house. So those characteristics remain unchanged from the previous quarter.
The index indicates that the price and demand were adversely affected by weak demand as banks cut down on credit advance due to the low capping interest rates that came into effect in the last quarter of 2016.
Among the households, the sector satisfies essential need and is also an important component of investment and a source of wealth for homeowners. Amongst the urban dweller in Kenya, home ownership is considered a dream and is clearly dearly cherished.
A breakdown of the index by house types indicates that apartments accounted for the largest share of the total sale transaction at 75.7%, with maisonettes and bungalows accounting for 16.4% and 7.8% respectively. Accordingly, the price of the apartments drove the price movement as the other types of houses were characterized by relative price stability. KBA expects a surge in residential construction activity as the financial sector adjusts the new pricing regime.
Substantial slowdown in the pace of new credit provision as observed in the last 2 quarters are highly likely to negatively impact the demand for houses, consequently impacting the supply and causing imbalances in the real economy.
KBA says the number of facilities that were pending approval will have been completed and developers will seek to bring to the market the ongoing housing projects. O'Brien Kiman for Business Insight.